ready to watch my in the night garden. Wait, Ickle Pickle, Makka Pakka. Hello. Where's the tumbly boots? No tumbly boots in this one. Isn't it my birthday already? Well, because this episode have my special stone in it. Whoa, special stone! This episode's gonna be fun. Start the show.
Upsy Daisy and Iggle Piggle.
Upsy Daisy! Oh!
Upsy Daisy, here I come. I'm the only Upsy one. I'm the only Daisy too. Ipsy, Upsy Daisy do.
Upsy Daisy! Oh!
Yes, my name is Iggle Piggle. Iggle Piggle Nickle Wiggle Diggle. Yes, my name is Iggle Piggle. Iggle Piggle Nickle Wiggle Woo.
Upsy Daisy! Upsy Daisy!
You have your theme song 7 times in a row. Tell me, what is it like? It's simple. TV magic. He has a point. You're right. How do I know that?
Or are they out? Let's see.
Makka Pakka!
Makka Pakka.
Makka Pakka! Woo!
Makka Pakka, Akka Waka, Mika Maka Moo. Makka Pakka, Appa Yakka, Ika Akka Oo. Hum Dum, Aga Pang, Ing Ang Oo. Makka Pakka, Akka Waka, Mika Maka Moo.
Makka Pakka!
Guys, you might want to close your voices because this one's really, really loud. Oh, I see. Yeah. How do we know that?
Makka Pakka!
Makka Pakka, that's not very so loud. Yeah. What's gonna be getting even more louder than a minute?
Makka Pakka!
Wow, that was a special stone in it. Wait, a special stone? Wait, we can have those? So that's what's stuck in my trumpet.
Look at that. Look what came out of Makka Pakka's trumpet. A pretty stone.
I'm giving the special stone to you, Upsy Daisy.
Oh, thank you, Makka Pakka!
You're welcome.
Makka Pakka had a stone in his trumpet. Isn't that a pip?
You know, I think we should celebrate with a dance. Hooray! Hooray! story sound yes. Yes.
There was a funny noise. Boop, 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 boop. What a funny noise, coming from Makka Pakka's trumpet. There was a stone in it. Makka Pakka gave the stone to Upsy Daisy. Thank you, Makka Pakka.
Now that video was funny. Yeah, absolutely funny. Yeah, indeed. Now if you excuse me, I'm gonna throw up. Well, I certainly hope you enjoyed this reaction. If you'd like to keep up with the latest videos, be sure to like and subscribe. Bye!